Easily done.
Whatever else.
Easily done.
Well, it is.
Do help yourself to afternoon.
Ooh, no push.
Work at it to take it off. I know it's very hard to wait, don't you?
Excuse me, Jack.
Well, it's very good because Susie went to Swimming World and she lost a lot before her wedding. And she lost even more when she had Oliver. She was pretty ill actually. Just I wouldn't advise it.
So the baby's maybe put on weight.
Well, no, she was terribly ill.
There's the rubbish bag.
Thank you. Dump everything else in there. Thank you very much.
I always blame my weight on Lucy.
Absolutely right. Well,
I lost a load when we got married, just I think through the stress of it all.
It is, I did too.
I wasn't actually dieting, but I did lose quite a lot of weight.
But they were right, all they say.
And then you start eating, and you have a baby, and you think, I've got to eat. And then that went on for years and years and years. So I realised I don't do something about it.
Alright, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name's Paul, Beach Manager, and a warm welcome to customers joining us here. Chippenham, this service is through to London Paddington. Our next calling point today will be Swindon.
Yeah, it's
Approximately
my
10
doctor
minutes
that,
time. Thank you.
that told me I had to lose weight. She said you're very dangerously overweight. You need to lose it, so I did.
Well,
it scared me.
Oh, yeah, because it's heart, diabetes,
Yeah,
that's
all
what
of that.
they're saying. That sugar was worse than that.
Yes.
Decided.
Yeah, it is.
This gives them fizzy drinks and things.
Have the tea, just
Good, huh?
gently.
Not good.
Through your main throat, I told you that, wasn't it?
Oh, well, he would. He's very down to earth.
It cost us a fortune to get to say that.
I saw her after you lost all that weight and told her about it when she was home then.
Yeah.
She was
And
very.
I told her she was, okay.
What she said upset me, but I think it was the right thing to do.
Yeah.
You know, she said if we don't lose weight, we may not see your daughter grow up. Basically, what she said.
She requires that.
Oh, absolutely. And it didn't throw me, and it made me do something about it. I lost 9 stone. And I must say, I went back to see her about after I lost about 5 stone. And you know, she said, I came here about 2 years ago. You told me to lose some weight. I said, oh, okay. Yes, I've lost 5 stone. She said, oh my God. And she was absolutely delighted.
Exactly.
Yeah. And you know, I've lost a lot more since then. Well, I needed to. I'm very unhealthy.
Yeah.
And I think you're the woman of the year.
Several times.
Well, yes, I got all sorts of awards.
Get the Silver of the Year.
They did a good job.
Yes, of course.
I really put you in a competitive situation.
What a cinema.
Yeah. A week once, a fortnight or something.
Once a week, but it makes. If I didn't go, I couldn't do it.
No,
Because you know,
Right.
you're setting yourself up to get on the scales in front of something, and you've got to prove yourself to them, and you want to do well.
I think you're very competitive.
Yeah, I kind of want to keep it off, but I know when I go on holiday or if I'm not going to make weight, the old habits creep in, because I think I'm not going to make well. So I've got to go every week to keep the weight off. I know in my mind that I've got to keep going. And I will do, and I enjoy it actually. I've made a lot of friends there.
I bet.
I've been for 6 years now, and
Where do you go? Whereabouts?
Corpus Christi.
Oh, yeah.
Village Hall.
That's really good.
Yeah, I used to go to school, funny enough, in the school of Portuguese. And yeah, no, it's a nice lot of girls there, and the consultant there is lovely. I've known her now for 5 years.
Yeah,
She's
she's come with a friend of my friends. Yeah. So if you want to go,
Well, I lost 9 stone, which was my goal, but my goal at the moment is to try and keep it off. Because it's hard. It's harder to keep it off than it is to lose it. Because you kind of get back into your old ways a bit and do this and I can do that. But actually you can't. You've got to keep dieting.
No, you did very well. You really lost the motives.
Yes.
Well, me.
Yes, yes, the
I weigh just over that. So that's a funny joke now. So it's kind of
and that was my aim.
I just bless you, it fills your face out with living. So that this friend of mine came off that, she was so born out. I was about size 12. Normal
that is the answer to that.
I changed my whole wardrobe and I've thrown everything away that I used to wear, so I can't go back to that. For that reason, and lots of reasons. Actually, I when I was going through the weight losing process, of course I was going from size to size, so I wasn't in one size for only one season. So I was buying and selling things on eBay. I'd buy a pair of jeans for £5 and sell the ones that I had now good for £5, so I was getting more in. Then when they were too big, I'd sell them on and buy more. So actually I wasn't really, until I got to the weight that I am now, and I wanted to replace my whole wardrobe now, because I'm staying this way. I really wasn't spending much money doing that, because I knew I wasn't going to stay at that weight. So yeah, I go to the gym. I joined the ladies' gym. I joined that gym. I used to go running along, which I hated. I go to the gym, I go to classes, I do spin. Bikes. Which I hate. I hate it all. I hate exercise, that's my problem.
We've got a ball game like this.
I love ball game, but you need someone to play with. You need to be guaranteed to have someone to play with to do that. I love tennis, I love badminton, I love squash. I used to play
It's
squash
more
a lot.
interesting than running too.
I did actually join for a bit. Actually, I didn't join. I went to the evening, on a Thursday evening, they had a free-for-all come along. And I think to join was something £2 a year, so I didn't join it yet.
We've also got a fun partner there that's going to play good sound.
That's right. And it's doing that, trying to find somebody who will be your partner. With running, you go to the gym, you can do it on your own. But in your own time.
On a treadmill.
I put my music in.
Yes.
They have big screens, and I just lose myself for half an hour. I hate it.
Well, that's
Very sad to do it. I have a time that I do it on a Tuesday or a Monday or Thursday, and I just do it. So yes, you have to exercise really, and to prepare for what you eat. You have to do it both.
Says if one would join the tennis club, would you have people doing it?
Yes.
I joined the tennis club as in the army. It was great.
It is finding someone of your standard though. So I did go to this Thursday night club, and they're all better than me. And they're very nice in that they also play games with me, but you know, I wasn't doing very well. I just felt I was bringing them down a bit.
Like golf, you can be any standard, up was low and some was high.
We were still playing. Yeah, that's true.
I haven't. That doesn't actually quite cool.
Still walking, which is still in the future. I kind of need to buy impact stuff really, basic way.
That's why I started.
Getting on to 6 weeks.
How long does it take you to do a course?
3 hours.
Right.
It shouldn't take much longer. That depends on
He's quite a good walk spoiled.
did say that. What else? I was going to walk off a little like walk. I quite enjoy my walks on the sea stuff. It's not too many
These are those 2 biscuits left.
That's one after my safety course. I picked one.
Not sure.
I'll have the other one.
I had a sandwich. I fancied it not with a ham in the fridge.
Oh?
So I had a sandwich for the
Make breakfast.
You need to do it, I'm sure.
Now I've got ballet bar, it's called for us. Which I absolutely love. It's a lady called Samson, whose brothers are the cranes in Kennedy. She's done Pilates.
Oh yeah.
And a studio built on their garden. Zimbabwe for years. Decided to go back to the UK. And we all go to Pilates with us from Boston. And she said, oh, you're starting this sort of dance class. Of course, dance all my early days. I'm still very sucky, you know, I get the leg up in the bar and the rest of the
Right,
stuff.
well done.
Anyway, so I thought I'd give it a go to this one. It's only about 75. No one was over 30. And I thought,
really?
oh my God. But I thought, I'm going to keep up with these kids. And
Ladies
it's,
and gentlemen,
you know,
very shortly now we'll be
fast
arriving
movement as
into
well as all the
Swindon.
ballet places, Liège, I can't do
Only
that.
customers can change here if you wish to travel to Didcot Parkway, then do please change here at Swindon. Also change here if you wish to travel to Kemble, Stroud, Stonehouse, Gloucester and Cheltenham Spa. Swindon then is our next calling point. Thank you.
Oh, I know.
What's the word now?
Cardio.
Yeah.
And then she takes it so slow. In the end, thank God we lie down. Absolutely knackered because of ballad work. But I love it on Saturday mornings.
Right, I did
Saturday
another
mornings, no.
Another thing I tried to really get on with was Zumba. Have you ever tried Zumba?
I love
That's kind of dancing,
yeah,
isn't
but
it?
then my
Shaking a
knees
bit.
about 8-9 years ago started to go, you know. And that's too much, I love that.
I tried it. I know they've got classes where I go now, so I might try it again. But I tried a class in Cleveland. I didn't really get on with it very well. Particularly like the teacher. I think you have to kind of be on their wavelength. She was too shouty and
Oh yeah, with Hutton Moore. Oh my God, we had about 50 in the class. She had the old